Good morning, guys. My name is Sasagiri. You are watching Simatech Straight to Tech. As I said before, I am going to upload 5 videos per week. So, in that 5 videos, there will be 2 tech news. The other 3 will be related to technical stuff. So, if you are watching for the first time, do subscribe to Simatech and share it with your friends. Let's not waste the time and get into the video. First news is about the remove China apps. These apps detects all the China apps in your mobile and automatically uninstall them. This app was created by our Indians so that we can be safe from China. But the remove China apps is removed from Play Store because it is violating the guidelines of the Play Store. So it is got removed from the Play Store. The next news is coming from the OnePlus Z. OnePlus Z is rumored that it is coming with a Snapdragon 765 processor. 2 weeks ago, it is rumored also that it is coming with the Dimensity 1000. So we cannot guarantee that Snapdragon 765 processor will be in OnePlus Z until the official announcement. This mobile will be launched in July along with the OnePlus earbuds. The next news is coming from Xiaomi. Xiaomi is about to launch Mi Notebook in India. These laptops are very cost effective and they also provide great specs. Day by day they are teasing that it is coming with it has horizon display. That means the bezels will be very less. They also teased that this laptop will be the slimmest laptop around its price range. So you have to wait and see at what price it will come. The next news is about the new band Mi Band 5. The new Mi Band 5 is rumored that it is coming with blood oxygen detection and also it is having remote camera control. The global variant will be also having NFC support. The next news is coming from AMD. We all know that AMD is a company which builds a processor for PCs. A new processor named AMD Ryzen C7 is going to be launched by AMD for mobiles. This processor has the specs that can beat Snapdragon 865 processor with a blink of eye. That means this processor is more powerful than Snapdragon 865. The processor is built with 5nm technology which is very battery efficient. If you see the specs, it is a 8-core processor with 2 Cortex X5 cores with 3 GHz speed. It has 2 Cortex A78 cores which are clocked with 2.6 GHz speed, and it has 4 Cortex A55 cores which are clocked with 2 GHz speed. According to its specs, the GPU of this processor will be 45% more powerful than Snapdragon 865. So it is a very powerful processor. If this comes in a mobile, then the price will be above 80,000. The next news is coming from Realme. The Realme X3 series is listed on BIS certification, so it is coming very soon. If you see the specs, the regular Realme X3 also is coming with a Snapdragon 855 processor. Realme X3 Super Zoom is also coming along with it. I am waiting for these smartphones. I'll give an update about the launch date, the specs, and everything. The next news is also coming from Realme. In the first sale itself, the Realme TV has a record break sales. 15,000 units are sold in a 5 minutes sale. Realme aim is to sell 1 million smart TVs in India by December. Hope they can reach the target. The next news is coming from Asus. A new Asus mobile is listed in Geekbench with a 12GB RAM and it has a processor 865. It is rumored this mobile will be ROG 3. We all know that ROG is a gaming centric smartphone. This smartphone will be coming with great specs which will be competing with Nubia Red Magic 5G and Blackshark 3 Pro. The next news is coming from Vivo. Vivo is about to launch 2 smartphones for offline market. Vivo Y50 and Y30. These smartphones are specially made for offline market, so the prices will be a little high when compared to others. If you see the specs, the Vivo Y50 will be coming with a 6.53-inch IPS LCD screen and the processor will be Snapdragon 665. The mobile has a unique design and also a punch hole display. In this smartphone, camera will be the highlight. The rear side, it is coming with a quad camera setup with a 13 MP primary sensor, 8 MP ultra wide, 2 MP macro and 2 MP depth. It is coming with a 16 MP selfie camera. The mobile contains of a big battery, 5000 mAh with 15-watt fast charging. The price is rumored that it is coming with a price tag of 17 or 18,000. The other smartphone is Vivo Y30. This smartphone is coming with a 6.47-inch IPS LCD screen with a punch hole display. The camera setup is same as the Vivo Y50 except it has a 8 MP selfie camera. The battery capacity is also the same, but it comes with 10-watt charging. Like and comment if you like the video and share it with your friends so that they can increase their knowledge about new technology. You are watching Seema Tech, myself Dastagiri, signing off.